Hi, my name is Jeff Sandor, and I'm going to show you how adding ProCore planks is a quick and easy way to elevate the look of your home. In preparation for this project, you'll need to gather the tools necessary for this type of installation. Please pause here to review the tools needed for the job. You'll need to remove any wall base or baseboards and undercut the door trims. Clear the installation area of dust and debris. Next, plan your layout. Measure the width of the area and calculate. The layout should be balanced with equal-sized planks on both sides of the room. Mark your center line. If the starting row is less than half the width of a plank, adjust your line by half the width of the plank. Beginning at the left corner, install your first full plank. Place the tongue side and end against the wall. Install your second plank by aligning its end joint to the first and press firmly downwards into place until it clicks. Tap with a rubber mallet 1 inch away from the joint to complete the locking. Finish installing your first row. For the end piece, measure, score, and snap the plank to fit. I recommend using the rest of your end piece to start the next row. For the following rows, insert the tongue into the previous plank. Slide towards the end joint and lower into place, making sure to lock completely. Continue filling in rows using planks from different boxes until your floor is complete. And there you have it, a beautiful new floor that's sure to enhance the look of your home. ProCore and ProCore Plus, available now at Lowe's.